But flying is not the only skill they know. So join us today as we show you a glimpse of how truly amazing and intelligent these birds are. Alright, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all start the show by welcoming our flag racing bird, Bandit. Now Bandit is a red-and-green macaw, also known as green-winged macaw. Now macaws are widespread in the forests and open woodlands of northern to central America. And there you go, our show is officially started. Let's give a round of applause for flag racing bird, Bandit. So hello everyone, my Mutlu Santanan and welcome to Cebu Ocean Park's Amphitheater. My name is Irvin and I'll be your host for this show. Now our next featured birds are just like any best of friends. Pretty cute, right? Now sometimes best friends can be competitive. Alright everyone, let's all meet our beautiful pair of Blue and Azul, Blue and Azul. And today they will battle it out who's the best in a basketball game. Okay, let's just wait for our birds. Alright, so this right here is Azul. Let's wait for Blue. Okay, this is Blue. Now before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. Now for the boys, let's cheer for Blue. Come on boys, say, go Blue, go Blue. Go Blue. Now for the girls, let's cheer for Azul. Come on girls, say, go Azul, go Azul. Go Azul, go Azul. Okay, so are you guys ready for the basketball game? Alright, birds ready, set, go. Come on guys, let's cheer for them. Here comes both birds at the table. First ball for both birds. Second ball for Azul, second ball for Blue. And for the last ball, Blue wins this game. That's alright, Azul. So I guess Azul deserves another race. Now let's do a ring race. So the mechanics of this game is the first bird who can drop all three rings into the pool. The fastest is the winner. That is a ring race. Okay, so are you guys ready for the second round? Yeah. Alright, birds ready, set, go. Come on guys, let's cheer for Azul. Here comes Blue leading the way. First ring for Blue. Second ring for Blue. Oh, he won this. Azul is up all three rings at the same time. How clever was that? And the winner is Azul. Right, let's give a round of applause for the pair of goals for Blue and Azul. Now this time I need an adult volunteer with a 20 peso bill. Again, I need an adult volunteer with a 20 peso bill. Can you raise your hand? Anyone? Yes, ma'am. Bill lang ma'am, 20 pesos.
The 1,000 lang.
Yes, ma'am. Come on. Sige, ma'am. So, I'm giving fun. As you may notice, most of the birds in the show are parrots. That is because parrots are highly intelligent, colorful, charismatic, and physically inclined. So ma'am, my motto, you stand right here. Okay, you can have your money. Face me, ma'am. Sige, ma'am. Extend your left arm sideways. Now ma'am, no matter what will happen, please don't move your arm, okay? Alright everyone, let's all call in our money bird, Blue. Okay. Come on, Blue. Let's go, Blue. Go, Blue flies over. Gets the money. What's next, Blue? Blue flies back to the table and I guess Blue wants to. There you go, donate your money. Let's give a round of applause for a donor. Ma'am, you take that. Sure. Give that back, ma'am.
Na-hold up si ma'am. Na-hold up si ma'am.
Kaya ba? Another volunteer. But enough, ma'am. We're actually just kidding. It's just part of the show. We'll return your money But before that, you will have a photo opportunity with Blue for souvenir. Alright, just follow trainer Jen's instructions. Okay, ma'am, sige ma'am, pa-picture na lang ma'am. Okay, smile and pose together with our money bird, Blue, on Instagram. Alright, thank you so much. Here's your money back. Let's give a round of applause for our volunteer and our money bird, Blue. Up next, we're going to show you our 3 different kinds of parrot here in Cebu Ocean Park. We have Bandit, our green wing macaw, Goldie, our blue and gold macaw, and lastly, Red, our eclectus parrot. So you'll get up close and personal with our 3 lovely birds. Okay, so this right here is Red. This is Goldie, and that right there is Bandit. Start. Now on my left, is our green-winged macaw Bandit. As you can see, his body is covered with mostly red plumage. His wing and tail feathers are colored blue and green. So that macaw has a white naked face, striped with small red feathers. Now Bandit's scientific name is Ara Chloropteros. Say hi to everyone, Bandit. Hi. Okay, how about on that side? Okay, so green-winged macaws are also known as the gentle giants of the parrot family. That is because they're the second largest parrot next to the hyacinth macaws. So all over the world, known as the second largest parrot. Okay, now up next is our blue and gold macaw Goldie above there. Now Goldie has a beautiful shade of blue on their back and a solid shade of yellow on their belly and inner wings. Now their eyes and beak are solid black. Now Goldie's scientific name is Ara Ararana. Say hi to everyone also, Goldie. So medyo similar na siya kanina. Okay, so here in Ocean Park we have 3 blue and gold macaws. So they are Blue, Azul, and Goldie. So kung nag-basketball ganiha, si Blue and si Azul to. Wala lapit si Goldie ato. Okay, lastly here with me is our eclectus parrot, Red. Now, eclectus parrots are very unusual in the parrot family. That is because of their extreme sexual dimorphism, meaning we can easily distinguish if they are male or female parrots. So how do we determine if they are male or female? Now, Red right here is a female parrot. That is because of her bright red colored feathers. Now, as of the males, they have bright green colored feathers. So very distinct in our colors, no? Again, red means female, green means male. Now, eclectus parrots can approximately live up to 30 years old. Meanwhile, our macaws, Bandit and Goldie, they can live up to 70 years old. Okay, so that is it for our 3 kinds of parrot here in Ocean Park. We have Bandit, Goldie, and Red. Now, parrots in particular are known to be intelligent and perceptive. That is why we'll continue to enhance their skills so that they won't get bored. Now guys, do you remember playing this game when you're still kids? Now let's call him Bandit once again, and he's going to show us how intelligent he is by putting all the shapes right back to their correct slots. Now guys, take note that this shape box puzzle is a learned behavior, meaning this is not possible without Bandit's intelligence, memory, and perception. So they use this skill in the wild to find food and shelter. Now they typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruit, salts, and minerals along the river banks. Okay, last shape, Bandit. There you go, pretty intelligent, right? A round of applause for green-winged macaw Bandit. Now guys, I have here an object which I'll hide under one of these 3 silver cups. So where do we put this object? On your left, right, or in the middle? Which side? Left, right, or middle?
Middle. Middle.
Left, right, or middle?
Middle.
Middle. Okay, let's put it right here. Let's call in our psychic bird, Goldie. Now guys, if you think Goldie can find a hidden object, let me hear you cheer. You can do it, Goldie. You can do it, Goldie. Okay, Goldie, find a hidden object for us. Where could it be? Goldie searching, scanning each cup. There you go, she found it. Round of applause for psychic bird, Goldie. Now guys, who here loves math? Everybody knows addition, right? Well, the next part of the show will leave most people baffled and amazed, even the trainers. But before we proceed, I'll be needing two numbers from you guys between 1 to 20. Any numbers please between 1 to 20? 18? Sige, 18. Next number please, how about from this side? 15? Okay, so our equation is 18 plus 15. Ay, hindi pwede double digit answer. Higher pa. Higher sa 15.
20.
14?
20.
14. Okay. So our equation is 18 plus 14. We all know the answer, right? But we must not tell the answer yet. Let's see if our mathematical wizard can solve the equation. But before that, let me just shuffle the numbers first. Okay, our numbers have been shuffled. Let's all meet our mathematical wizard. No. No. Scientific name is Kakatua colossensis. Now these birds can be found in eastern Indonesia and they're the largest among the white cockatoos. As you can see, snow has a pinkish white colored feathers. That's why they're also called salmon-crested cockatoos. And just like all other cockatoos, snow is a very loud bird and can mimic almost any sound. Okay, snow, our equation is 18 plus 14. Okay na? Alright, Snow, solve the equation for us. Ooh, there you go. Snow gets number 3. Good start, Snow. On to the second number. Uy, nalapas man si Snow. Again.
Wala mong patudloin. Patulong ito.
Plus 40 is equal to 32. Round of applause for mathematical wizard, Snow. We'll show you they're very different from all the other colorful parrots. They're called birds of prey, also known as raptors. The raptor came from the Latin word rapere, meaning to seize or take by force. These birds are characterized by their excellent flying ability and keen vision. So around the world, there are 446 kinds of raptors. Here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have two kinds of raptors. We have a Brahminicae and a Philippine serpent eagle. So when we speak of birds of prey or raptors, these are the birds that feed on meat or other animals, such as eagles, hawks, owls, and vultures. Okay, now first off, let's all welcome our Brahminicae kingdom.
Wow!
There you go. Brahminicae is scientifically known as Haliastor illus. These birds can be found in eastern Indonesia, Southeast Asia, Australia, and even here in the Philippines. In Australia, they're called sea eagles. that's because Monesia ang logo sa TV show ni Kuya Kim nga Matang Lawi. Okay, so that is it for our brand and Ikai Kingdom. Now in the world of birds of prey, females are usually larger than the males. That is because they're better positioned in nesting and rearing behavior. So kapag si Kingdom is male to siya, napay mas dapwa to. Okay, now up next is our Philippine Serpent Eagle, Freddy. There you go. Now, Philippine Serpent Eagle, scientifically known as Milornis solus venus. Now, they're called serpent eagles is because in the wild, they prey on reptiles and snakes. Now, just to clarify, Philippine serpent eagles and Philippine eagles are two different birds, okay? So Freddy is a Philippine serpent eagle, not a Philippine eagle. And also guys, as you can see, both our trainers are using a black glove called the Falconry gauntlet, so that is used to protect their hand from their sharp talons and beak. There you go. Let's give a round of applause for Philippine Serpent Eagle, Freddy. Now just a fun fact, Kingdom and Freddy are both rescued animals, so they were donated by the DNR. They arrived here during the ACQ period last year. Okay, now last stop for our flying birds is all meet our homing pigeons. There you go, our homing pigeons. Now, homing pigeons has an innate homing ability, meaning they can go back to their nest to mate. Okay, mabalik na sila sa kilid and then munaong bilis sa tubakan. Right, munaong pa na sila. There you go. Right, let's give a round of applause for raptors and our homing pigeons. Now, here in the ocean park, we believe there is hope. We're not only trying to take care of our friends in the ocean, but also in the land and air as well. Now, we follow the 3 R's. It's the reduce, reuse, and recycle. Now, let's call in our lovely bird once again. He's going to show us how to do the proper waste disposal. Now, it helps keeps our environment clean and fresh, saves the earth from pollution. Now, sad to say, a lot of our animals are struggling their everyday lives due to pollution and environmental changes. Always remember, only if you understand can we care. And only if we care can we help. And only if we help shall we all be safe. See, if Azul can do it, then so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoyed our show. Are the animals spectacular? Well, in always, no matter how small the effort, let's take action in saving them from extinction. And please, let's do our part in saving this world because remember, this is the only home we got. Now let's present to the animals and trainers who made the show possible. We have Alfie above there as our DJ. We have Azul or Blue and Azul Macaw with Jen. We have PJ at the back of the house with our homing pigeons. And along with all staff here, Spring Time, this is me again, Irvin, your host for today. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye. So for those of you who just came in, our next virtual will be at 1:30 p.m. And then for the information of everyone, our exit is located at the main tank gallery inside the Oceanarium. Again, our exit is located at the main tank